Hello, entrepreneurs. Joedichiara, CPA extraordinaire, coming to you live from downtown Bethpage, Long Island, New York. Man, I'm tight tonight. Yeah, coming to you live from downtown Bethpage, New York, Long Island, the middle, on the South Shore. I could probably walk to the beach if I wanted to, but it's kind of cold. It's kind of getting chilly. It's November 3rd. Election day is over, thank God. I don't have to hear any more about the elections because I'm more concerned with taxes and what's going on with my clients, my people, myself. And too much of our money is going to taxes that don't have to go there, if that makes sense to you. And what I'm going to talk about tonight is Social Security taxes. I'm going to be talking about this a lot in the near future, in the distant future, in the past future, uh, because Social Security is a major obstacle to new business owners, small business owners, because it's too much of an expense. It's too much of a large number when somebody just starts a business. And let me show you what I'm talking about here. Social Security taxes have rise from 0% for self-employed people to 12.4% just for Social Security taxes. If you want to add Medicare and Medicaid taxes, it's over 15%. It's actually 15.3%. But the government doesn't want to put that extra couple of percentage points. So it looks like 12.4, but it's really 15.3% that sole proprietors are paying on their net profits. Now, it's different for employees. They only pay half of that. But let's go to the video here because I have a graphic that I can show you. And when Social Security was created, it was only 1% for employers. You could see that self-employed people, sole proprietors, didn't have to pay anything until 1951. Now, 1.5% was for the employer, but 1.5% was for the employee. So there was 1.5%. If you made $100, $1.50 got withheld from your paycheck, and you were fine. If you were a sole proprietor at the end of the year, if your net profit was $10,000, you had to pay $225 in self-employment tax. Not life-changing, okay? But wait, there's more, folks. There's more to come. Because let's see, by 1960, it went up to, what is this? 19, it went to 3%. Okay, it more than doubled. It tripled from when it was first, and then it went to 3%. Now that's just 3%. That's not just 3% for the employer. It's 3% for the employer and the employee. Now, if you had your own business, if you were a sole proprietor, it was 4.5%. Okay, again, it's a bigger number, 4.5%. That could be life changing, depending on what your budget is. Now, shoot forward to, let's see, 1970, it's up to 6.3% for a sole proprietor, and it's up to 4.2 for an employer and an employee. So it's actually 8.4%, but they're only hitting self-employed people for 6.3. Now, that was 1970. Go to 1980, it's up to 7%. okay, and 5% for employers and blah, blah, blah. Fast forward to 1990, it goes up to 12.4% for self-employed people, not including Medicare and Medicaid. So you can add, let's just say it's 15%. And it's, let's say, 7% for employees and employers. So they're getting, if you're a sole proprietor, you're paying 15%, 12.4% is what they call Social Security taxes, but we all know that that's only part of it. It's really 15%, blah, blah, blah. But here's the thing, folks. It hasn't raised. It hasn't been raised in over 30 years. What they have done, so we're done with that part of the program. But what they have done is they've raised the maximum that you get taxed on. So they have raised the amount that you're paying. So I'll give you an example. So in the beginning, maybe it was the maximum was 52,000 that you, and once you hit the maximum, you didn't have to pay any more in self-employment tax. Now it's up to about 130,000. So they keep raising the the threshold, and this is a prediction, folks, that they're going to be raising this rate. It's not going to be 15% anymore for a self-employed person. I don't know what it's going to be, but it can't be 15% anymore. It's going to go up. And that means it's going to go up for employers and employees. So the bottom line is that Social Security is going up. I'm on recording now. It's public record that I have stated that the rate is going up. It's not going down. That's for sure. It's just a matter of when and how much. So if you're in business, you need to take steps to keep this to a minimum. And if you want to know what those steps are, you can book a chat with me. I love talking to people about their taxes, about business, and all you got to do is go to timewithjoe.com. I'm looking down here to make sure that it's the right address, but it definitely is. If you want to mastermind with us, it's actually mastermindwithjoe.com. Now you can, if you don't know how to spell Dichara, you can go to mastermindwithjoe.com, and we play games, we have fun, and most importantly, we learn about business and how to stay out of harm's way when it comes to the government, and just have fun running your business and trying to make money. That's my story. I'm sticking with it, folks. Hope to see you soon again for another amazing episode of How to Win at Business. Thank you. God bless.